Happy Friday!
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday!
Happy Friday!
Happy Friday!
Happy Friday!
Hello everybody, welcome to 5-Minute Friday Fun. Today what we're going to do is we are going to make a marble run out of some items that you might have in your house. We're going to need a pair of scissors, some markers, a bunch of paper tubes, so from a paper towel roll or even toilet paper. Gonna need some painter's tape or some masking tape, something that isn't gonna ruin the wall. And last but not least, some marbles. To start off, to make our track for our marbles, what we have to do is cut our paper tubes in half. You can see I've already done a few of them here. It kind of makes a little slide for them. So I've got some done. I'm gonna finish this one up. You wanna cut them right in half. So one side and then the other to make them even. And you can make them different lengths. If you have, a few paper towel rolls and then you have a few TP rolls and they are some short, some long, that's okay. Your marble will just go short for some of them and long for others. At this point, decoration is optional, but always fun. If you've got any stickers or if you just want to get out some markers and you want to draw some awesome stuff, I'm going to make some squiggly lines on the sides of mine and some green. Whatever it is that you would like to do. Maybe one green one blue one. Get creative. Okay. So once we have our paper towel rolls or our TP rolls all decorated, the next step is putting them up in a way that's gonna make our marble go zigzag, zigzag. Now I'm gonna be putting mine on the wall. Ask your parents first if that's okay and if they have some painter's tape or something that isn't gonna ruin the paint. Another option, if you don't have that and all you have at home is regular old Scotch tape, you can use the inside or the outside of a big cardboard box to do this on. Once you get everything cut out, decorated, it's ready to go. Now's the fun part. You get to design your marble run. Now, what I did when I put these pieces up is I tested. Every two I put up and then each additional one, I ran my marble through it to see if it worked. Because if you get the angle too steep or you get them too far apart, your marble, it might just fall on the ground. And that would be kind of a bummer if you got everything taped up only to find out that it didn't work. So test as you go. And remember, once again, if you're putting it on the wall, check with your parents first. Okay. So I am ready for my very last one to go up. And I have another tip for you. If you're going to be taping like I did, I tried to get the tape in the center of the track to keep it balanced. This one I had to use two because it didn't quite work. It kept sliding down. And another thing is if you're using tape like I did through the center of the track, you have to make sure that you're sticking it completely flat so there isn't a bump here that your marble is going to catch on. So I'm gonna have to guess here where I think my last track should go. Let's try right about there. And then let's test it. All right, I got my trusty marble. Let's see if it works.